Hey runners, want to run faster and farther? Plyometrics can help. These explosive exercises use jumping and bounding to build power and speed. Get ready to unleash your inner athlete. Plyometrics are like magic for your running. They make your muscles fire up faster and stronger. This means you can push off the ground with more force and fly down the track. In this guide, we'll explore the amazing benefits of plyometrics for runners. Get ready to learn how to do these exercises safely and effectively. Let's get started. Plyometrics are all about quick, powerful movements. Think jumping, hopping, and bounding. These exercises train your muscles to contract and relax rapidly. This is called the stretch-shortening cycle. Why is this important for runners? Because every stride is essentially a mini jump. When you run, your muscles quickly stretch and contract to propel you forward. Plyometrics supercharge this process. They make your muscles more responsive and powerful. This translates to faster speeds, higher jumps, and increased endurance on the road or trail. Plyometrics offer a treasure trove of benefits for runners. Here are just a few ways these exercises can take your running to the next level. Increased speed. Plyometrics improve your stride length and frequency, making you faster overall. Enhanced power. Generate more force with each stride, conquering hills and sprints with ease. Improved endurance. Run longer and stronger with increased muscular endurance, greater agility, navigate turns and obstacles with grace and precision. Improved coordination. Develop better balance and coordination, reducing your risk of injury. These benefits translate to real results on the track, trail, or treadmill. Whether you're aiming for a personal best or simply want to enjoy your runs more, plyometrics can help you achieve your goals. Running is a high-impact sport. Over time, the repetitive pounding can take a toll on your joints and tendons. This is where plyometrics shine as a secret weapon for injury prevention. Plyometric exercises strengthen your tendons, the tough cords that connect muscles to bones. Stronger tendons act like shock absorbers, protecting your joints from impact. By incorporating plyometrics into your routine, you'll build resilience and reduce your risk of common running injuries like shin splints, runner's knee, and Achilles tendonitis. Plyometrics 101, beginner-friendly exercises to get you started. Ready to experience the power of plyometrics? Here are a few beginner-friendly exercises to get you started. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. Find a sturdy box or platform. Stand facing the box with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a quarter squat, swinging your arms back. Explosively jump up onto the box, landing softly. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a squat position, keeping your back straight. Explosively jump up, reaching your arms overhead. Land softly and immediately go into the next squat. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Take a powerful step forward with one leg, driving your opposite knee up. Land softly on your lead foot and immediately bound forward with the other leg. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 6 to 8 repetitions for each exercise. Focus on quality over quantity, maintaining proper form throughout each movement. Step up your game, mastering the box jump. The box jump is a classic plyometric exercise that builds explosive power and strengthens your legs. Here's how to master this move. Stand facing a box or platform that's about knee-high. Position your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing forward. Lower into a quarter squat, swinging your arms back for momentum. Explosively extend your hips, knees, and ankles to jump up onto the box. Keep your core engaged and land softly on both feet, absorbing the impact. Step down from the box 1 foot at a time, maintaining control. Choose a box height that challenges you without compromising form. Focus on landing softly and quietly to minimize impact on your joints. As you get stronger, gradually increase the box height or the number of repetitions. The box jump is a versatile exercise that can be modified to suit your fitness level. Start with a lower box and gradually increase the height as you gain strength and confidence. Jump to it, conquering the jump squat. The jump squat is another fantastic plyometric exercise that targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. It's a great way to build explosive power and improve your vertical jump. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your core engaged and your back straight. Lower into a squat position, keeping your chest up and your weight in your heels. Your thighs should be parallel to the ground at the bottom of the squat. Explosively drive through your heels to jump straight up in the air. Swing your arms upward for momentum. Land softly on the balls of your feet, absorbing the impact with your legs. Immediately go into the next squat repetition. Focus on maintaining proper squat form throughout the exercise. Land softly to protect your joints. As you get stronger, you can increase the depth of your squat or add a small weight for an extra challenge. The jump squat is a challenging but rewarding exercise that can significantly enhance your lower body power. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity as you progress. Bound ahead. Mastering the forward bound. The forward bound is a dynamic plyometric exercise that improves your stride length and strengthens your legs. It's a great way to simulate the forward propulsion of running. Getting started. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, core engaged, and shoulders relaxed. The bound. Take a powerful step forward with your right leg, driving your left knee up towards your chest. As you land on your right foot, immediately drive off again with your left leg, bringing your right knee up. Continue bounding forward, maintaining a smooth and controlled movement. Landing and momentum. Focus on landing softly on the balls of your feet, absorbing the impact with your legs. Use your arms to generate momentum and maintain balance. Tips. Start with shorter bounds and gradually increase the distance as you get comfortable. Keep your core engaged throughout the exercise to protect your lower back. Focus on maintaining a consistent rhythm and a powerful forward drive. The forward bound is a challenging but effective exercise that can help you develop a more powerful and efficient running stride. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity as your strength and coordination improve. Agility unleashed, side-to-side jumps for nimble feet. Agility is crucial for runners, especially those who navigate trails or compete in races with tight turns. Side-to-side jumps are a fun and effective way to improve your agility and footwork. Setting up. Find a line on the ground or use an agility ladder if you have one. Stand with your feet together, knees slightly bent, and core engaged. The jump laterally over the line, landing softly on the balls of your feet. Immediately jump back to the starting position, maintaining a quick and controlled movement. Variations, lateral bounds. Instead of jumping side to side, bound laterally, taking a powerful step to the side and landing softly on your lead foot. Agility ladder drills. Use an agility ladder to perform various footwork drills, such as lateral shuffles, in and out hops, and high knees. Tips. Focus on landing softly and quietly to minimize impact on your joints. Keep your core engaged and your movements controlled throughout the exercise. As you improve, you can increase the speed and complexity of your drills. Side-to-side jumps and agility drills are essential for developing quick feet and improving your reaction time, making you a more nimble and efficient runner. Listen to your body safety tips for plyometric training. Plyometrics are a powerful tool for boosting your running performance, but it's crucial to prioritize safety and listen to your body. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Warm up properly. Before each plyometric workout, warm up with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, such as jogging or jumping jacks, followed by dynamic stretches like leg swings and arm circles. Start slowly. If you're new to plyometrics, start with a few sets of each exercise and gradually increase the volume and intensity as you get stronger. Focus on form. Proper form is crucial for preventing injuries. Pay close attention to your technique and don't sacrifice form for speed or intensity. Rest and recovery. Plyometrics are demanding on your muscles and joints. Allow for adequate rest between sets and take rest days when needed. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any pain or discomfort. If you feel any sharp pain, stop the exercise immediately. By following these safety tips, you can enjoy the benefits of plyometrics while minimizing your risk of injury. Remember, consistency and proper form are key to long-term success. Ready to run like the wind? Follow for more. Congratulations on taking the first step towards unlocking your running potential with plyometrics. These powerful exercises can help you run faster, farther, and with more confidence. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate plyometrics into your training routine 2 to 3 times per week, focusing on proper form and gradual progression. Want more tips and exercises to take your running to the next level? Follow me for more fitness advice, workout routines, and motivation to help you achieve your fitness goals. Let's do this!